Hi, I'm Anushka. Welcome to my channel. What do you do when you don't feel like studying? I'm a medical student, so studying makes up for a huge part of my days. I'm talking about self study, the time which I take out for my studies, excluding my classes. As a human, my mind gets overwhelmed with lots of stuff which I encounter while studying, and there are days when I don't feel like studying. I'm sure all of you have been there where you have wanted to just relax and give yourself time to breathe and not worry about studying. So, in moments like this, I try to watch something, maybe some movies or TV series which I like. I try to relax, sleep, exercise, rarely. Cooking at home, that's rare too. Do laundry, spend some time with family, learn something, make vlogs. Well, in simple words, do something which will give your mind some time to relax and doing something that will not put a lot of stress on your mind and you will like happily do it any time of the day. The fact that our brain needs only a small amount of time to refresh itself before it's back to grinding with you again is to be kept in mind while we are trying to study for long hours and when we are really worrying a lot about studying. And because yes, studying is important and we need to give a lot of hours for studying, but breaks are equally important for our brain. The point I'm trying to make here is that don't just think that you don't have a life outside of being a medical student. Yes, it's a lot of studying and not much of anything else, and yes, it'll take years before you reach your goals. In this time, you don't have to be just a medical student. You can do a lot of other things. In this time, you will also see people your age getting married, having jobs, and are also getting paid, and you are still studying. But remember, one day it will all be worth it. All this time, all the pain, all the sacrifices, all the sleepless nights, and all the days when you stayed in studying while others were having the time of their lives. One day, all of this will count for something, but if only you keep your sanity. So, be a medical student, study hard, take breaks, enjoy your life your own way. You have to walk on your own path, finish your own journey in your own time. I hope you understand how important it is to find balance in your life, and I hope you are patient with yourself and give yourself time, and you'll figure out the way to reach your goals. Well, I hope you understood what I was trying to say. If not, then you can ask me questions, leave your suggestions in the comment section below, or you can contact me on Instagram or on Gmail. And thank you so much for watching this video. Well, I hope you understood what I was trying to say in this video. It is just a random thing which I was thinking, so I thought of making a video on this. And you can let me know your suggestions or your feedback, or if there's something which stuck your mind while you were watching this. I would love to hear from you. And thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in another one. Bye. See you.